How to enable Secure Boot in Windows 10. Hey there Windows users! Secure Boot is an essential security feature that helps protect your PC from unauthorized firmware, operating systems, and malware. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the steps to enable Secure Boot on your Windows 10 PC. Let's get started. Restart your computer and access the BIOS/UEFI settings. You can usually do this by pressing a specific key during startup, such as F2, F10, or Del. Look for a prompt on the screen or consult your PC's manual for the correct key. Once in the BIOS settings, navigate to the Security or Boot section. Look for an option related to Secure Boot. It may be labeled as Secure Boot Configuration or something similar. Select the Secure Boot option and set it to Enabled. Some systems may require you to choose Windows UEFI mode or a similar option to enable Secure Boot effectively. Depending on your BIOS firmware, you may have additional options to configure Secure Boot settings, so you can usually leave these settings at their default values, unless you have specific requirements. Once you've enabled Secure Boot and configured any necessary settings, save your changes and exit the BIOS settings. Follow the on-screen instructions to save and exit. After restarting your computer, verify that Secure Boot is enabled. You can usually do this by accessing the BIOS settings again and checking the Secure Boot status. It should indicate enabled or on. Thanks for watching everyone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips and tricks for Windows 10. Stay tuned for our next video.